Hey, here we are at Giovanni's Fish Market. Today we are going to demonstrate how to crack and clean one of our beautiful Dungeness crabs. So let's jump right in it. First thing we want to do is remove the carapace. That's this piece right here. And we're going to do that by placing our thumb. Boy, there's just a spot perfect for our thumb to go right there. We're going to put our left hand here and we're just going to lightly pull this apart. Just as easy as that. We're going to discard this. Nothing you really want to eat in there. The next step is going to be removal of the gills. Now these are the gills right here. I know they look like meat, but they are not inedible. They're attached at the bottom, so a simple swipe of the thumb along the bottom easily removes those. We'll discard those. Same thing on the other side. We'll just take our thumb, wipe it along there, and pull those, set those aside. Next thing you want to do is remove the mouth. That's this piece right here. Just grab it with your thumb and twist. Remove. And finally, we're going to take off the apron on the bottom. Now be careful, there's a sharp piece in there. You don't want to get that on your finger, so go in from the side, lift this piece off, discard, and finally we'll just take a wipe with our two fingers right through the middle. Anything in there is not edible. Anything we've removed now is not edible. All the meat is hidden inside the body right here. Next step will be cracking the crab. We're going to rinse this off real quick so that we've got a beautiful product to work with. Make sure we remove anything yellow, brown, or green because we don't want to eat that. And then we're going to get into cracking the legs. Easy to remove. They're just going to twist forward, so we're just going to take our hands and just twist forward one at a time, just like this. And same with the claw, and same with the other side. Again, we're just going to go forward nice and easy. It doesn't take a lot of pressure. This is the direction they come off. This is the right way to do it. We're going to take the body, we're going to give it a nice one crack in the middle. That's ready to heat and serve. And then we're going to start with the legs. Real easy. Each leg takes 3 cracks, and you're just going to use a nice smooth side hard mallet on a hard surface, and we're going to give it one nice tap. What that does is creates just one little crack in there. You don't want to smash it, you just want to have one crack for easy access to that meat. Then we're going to flip it over, we're going to do one on the corner and one on the front. And we're just going to repeat this process for all 8 legs. One nice crack again, so it's got a nice access. We don't want to overdo it, we don't want to smash. One in the elbow and one right there. Sometimes you got to hit it twice and that's okay. And again, we'll just repeat the process real easy. It's 3 cracks per leg. So 1, 2, 3. And you want to get each one of those because there is meat in each one of these sections, here, here, and here. Obviously the best piece is right here. That's called the maris meat. It's right inside there. If you don't get it, just hit it one more time like that. And then I kind of turn the angle, hit that corner. That's okay if that comes off. And again, just one nice crack. You can do the work at the dinner table with your hands. 1, 2, 3. Now it's a little bit different for the claws. I like to start with the elbow right here because this is the hardest shell on the crab body. So since it takes a little more force, we're going to do that one first. Nice crack. As you can see, we got one perfect crack there. We don't want to smash it. Then I move on to the one closest to the body. And then finally on the pincher, I turn it upside like this, get a nice flat surface area, a nice beautiful crack like that. Show you one more time. Right in the elbow, flip it over, and then finally on the flat side. And it's just that easy. We've got a fully cracked crab ready for dinner and serve up to your guests with a little butter and lemons, and we're good to go. Oh, and here's the best part. Crack that open and roll wood.